Welcome back to my channel. Kalutara district, Agalawat site. Makeli flows through the Nelumketiya proposed reserve consisting of 1,350 hectares. Makeli Ella Falls is located near the Molkava Kelinkanda Road. Many wonderful legends related to Prince Vidya Bandara are associated with this waterfall.
This waterfall created by Makeli. Makeli is a branch of Kukule River. The beginning of the Kukule River, which starts from Rakwana mountain range. A stream that does not get bored no matter how long you wait, and white palms that always rises. A few kilometers away, the Kukuleganga power plant is being built under the Kukuleganga scheme. Then the Kukule River becomes a dead river. From the Kukuleganga hydroelectric power plant, electricity is generated and the water is returned to Makeli. The flow of water joins the Kukule River, creating Makeli Falls. Then it forms Kuda River and joins the Kaluganga at Anguruwatota and joins the Indian Ocean at Kalutara. Makeli Falls is one of the most beautiful waterfall that can be seen very easily. Its height is about 10 meters and this is the 5th most dangerous waterfall in Sri Lanka. So far, more than 40 people have lost their lives here. Including a doctor. Come and visit Makeli Falls. Enjoy its beauty. Ensure your own safety and save the environment.
Proud to be a Sri Lankan. Have a nice day. Subscribe us. Thank you.